What impact do evolving NFL penalty rules have on game outcomes? Imagine a game where a single penalty can change the entire course of a match. That's what shifting NFL penalty rules can do to the flow and result of a game. When rules change, players and teams have to adjust their tactics and discipline. This adjustment can lead to more or fewer penalties, which directly influence how teams perform. Penalties in football cost yards and can stop drives, so teams that keep penalties low tend to do better overall. For example, teams that average fewer than 40 penalty yards per game usually win more often. That's because fewer penalties mean more consistent drives and better field position. Advanced metrics like expected points added help us see how penalties impact scoring chances. When a penalty negates a big gain or gives the other team a fresh set of downs, it can swing the expected points for a drive. Defensive penalties like pass interference or roughing the passer often give opponents a new chance to score or extend their drive. Offensive penalties, such as false starts or holding, can stall promising drives and limit scoring opportunities. Teams that manage penalties well can keep their offense on the field longer and prevent opponents from gaining easy yards. Recent rule changes, like making pass interference reviewable, have added a new layer to how penalties influence game flow. Coaches now challenge calls, which can overturn penalties that might have extended or ended drives. This can change the momentum and even the final score. Modifications to overtime rules and kickoff procedures also aim to balance safety and fairness, which can indirectly affect penalty patterns. For example, safer kickoffs reduce the chance of penalties like catch interference or illegal blocks. Teams now track penalty-related statistics closely to improve their game plans. They focus on reducing costly infractions that stop drives or give opponents free yards. Coaches use this data to teach players better discipline and to develop strategies that minimize penalties. When teams keep penalties low, they stay on offense longer, maintain rhythm, and avoid giving opponents easy scoring chances. In the end, evolving NFL penalty rules shape how teams approach the game. They influence player behavior, drive success, and even the final outcome. Statistics related to penalties help us understand these effects and show why disciplined teams often come out ahead. By managing penalties well, teams can turn the tide of a game and improve their chances of winning.